Hello, fellow people, and welcome to another video. I was kind of bored today. I didn't really know what to do, so I guess I'm just gonna make a just a random tutorial, I guess. So maybe let's do a how to make a clicker. Yeah, okay. So we'll make a clicker game in this tutorial. I don't really have a lot of time, so probably this will become a series. It won't be that long, probably 5 minute each video. So yeah, here we go. So first of all, we wanna choose a sprite. I'm just gonna go with a Scratch Cat clicker, I guess. So here, let me just name it real quick. So you can choose whatever sprite you want. What you want to do is you press this sprite button, and you see this. You see the magnifying glass. You press that, and you can choose any sprite you want. But for now, I'll just settle in with Scratch Cat. So basically, what I do is I want him to go to the middle of the screen, which is 0, 0. So let's do that. Okay, so first of all, we want to, when he's clicked, we want him to add a score, right? So each time he's clicked, we want the clicks to go up. So what we're gonna do for that is, it might be pretty obvious. I'm gonna try making this very simple. If you're a bit more advanced, you can just ask me in the comment section, and yeah, I'll make a more advanced one. So let's just do when this sprite clicked. Right now, when I click him, nothing happens, right? So when the sprite click, we're gonna make a variable. So if you don't know what it is, it's okay. I actually don't know what it is, but it's kind of like something you keep. So in this case, we want to keep a score. So let's do score. Okay. Okay. So yeah, we got the score now. So when the sprite click, we wanna change this score over here by 1. So change score by 1. So look at that. You can see the score is changing by 1. And now, I mean, we don't want to let this go on forever. So when the green flag is clicked, we want it to reset. So we just do set score 0. There. So just click a few times, and then when you press the green flag, boom, it's gone. So first of all, I'm gonna want to make this a bit bigger. Let's try 300. Oh wow, no, too big. 250. 150. Makes no difference. Anyway, so now what we want to do is, now what do we want to do? We want to, let's say, make it play a sound while it's clicked. So yeah, we got meow right now. So what we can do is play sound, start sound meow. Okay, there we go. So now it's a bit more interesting. Yeah, okay. So I'll just keep it like that for now. You can add whatever blocks you want. Keep in mind, I'm probably gonna make another one which is more advanced. So yeah, you should go check out the other one. Anyway, and then now what we want to do is we want to add upgrades. So like when it's clicked right now, it's only changing the score by 1. But we want it to have an upgrade where when you have a certain amount of score, you can buy an upgrade, which each time you press Scratch Cat, you get more than 1. So basically an upgrade, okay? So first what we want to do is we want to make a shop button. So here we'll paint one. So You can like draw something if you want, but for now I'm just gonna go something simple. If you don't like drawing, I mean, I personally love drawing, but if you want it to be simpler, you can press this rectangle right here. I'm sorry, I do have a mouse pointer. I should do my videos on computer soon. We press that, and then make a fill. Honestly, right now we don't really want any fill, so we'll just leave that blank. And then we want the outline, maybe make it like a good 8. That's good. And then we'll just make a real quick button there. Okay, so we're gonna drag this to the middle, and then we're gonna want to kind of make it a bit smaller because it has to be real small. Okay, and now we'll just move it to the side. I can't move the sprite. Why am I not moving the sprite? Okay, there we go. So let's just say right here, okay? And then we want to put some text in so that people know this is the shop button. Let's do this. Type in shop. Okay, now that is way too small, so we're gonna make it a bit bigger. Okay, let's go. So we officially made a shop button. I'm gonna just make it a bit smaller. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to make another costume, because when we press this, it's gonna switch the costume, right? Oh no, I pressed the wrong button. So let's just make it. Let's try something. We need to make a fill. Let's just. Okay, let's keep it simple. I'm sorry if you can hear my parents behind in the background. They're playing with my little sister. And yeet. Okay. Now make this a bit thicker. And now we're gonna put that change it to 0. Wait, that's my mistake. Oh my gosh, Scratch Cat, please. Okay. Drag it here. This guy.
Isa win. Oh, where's my umbrella? Isa win, tata.
Sorry. Oh. Okay, that's good. That's better. So now we want to make. Okay, so what we want to do is when the green flag is clicked, we wanted to switch costume to the first one so that we got the little shop button. And then when it's clicked, we want to open the shop, so we gotta switch the costume to costume 2, which will go like that. Okay, cool. So now when this sprite clicks, switch costume to 2, and then after this happens, that's pretty much it. So now we need to add an upgrade, and also we need to hide this little guy here. We need to hide him when we open the shop. So when this sprite is clicked, switch costume to 2, we also have to broadcast message 1. Let's call it open shop, okay? And then Scratch Cat, now when he receives open shop, we want him to hide, and then here we want to show. So let's try this now. We click him, we get the points, we press the shop, and the shop opens there. So now he's like hidden, okay? But now we need to add an exit button. So this has to be another sprite. Let's actually just take this real quickie. Take this guy, copy him. Okay, and then now we just paste it. But instead of the word shop, we want it to be exit. Exit. Yeah, that's good. I want it to be a bit bigger. Okay, so now the exit button is gonna be here. Okay? So when the green flag is clicked, we want it to hide. When I receive open shop, we want it to show. Okay? And then when this sprite is clicked, we want to broadcast close shop instead of open. And then this guy, Mr. Scratch Cat, when he receives close shop, we want him to show. Same with this guy. When this sprite clicks, it's called to broadcast open shop. When he receives close, switch costume to costume 1. And yeah, so let's try that now. We click the Scratch Cat. We get points. Press the shop. Boom. And then now the exit button also appears. So now we need to add the upgrades, but let's try the exit button. It works. Oh, but there's a flaw. You see, when the sprite clicks, when he broadcasts close shop, he needs to hide, doesn't he? So when I receive close shop, he needs to hide. Okay, let's try this now. Get points. Shop opens. We exit. Boom, it works. Let's try it again. Open the shop. Exit. Boom. Okay, so far so good. You gotta remember to press the button save now, because it's very important. If you, like, for example, if your device accidentally shuts off, then you can't save it, and like 20 minutes code worth will just disappear in a matter of seconds. So always remember to press that button. Okay, now we need to add upgrades, but we'll do that in the next video. So to keep it easy and simple, if your code is not working, just rewatch the video real quick, review, and then once you're ready, tomorrow I'll update a new video about the upgrades. So yeah, that's it, and hope your clickers come out great.